I think the only way we can get rents down is by increasing supply. We have a major problem in this country, as everybody is aware. We have a housing crisis. That crisis is one of supply. And what we are seeing is an increasing number of renters as our population is increasing significantly, chasing a similar amount of properties that are not increasing at a rate we need to see them increasing. So the aim here is to get supply increased, and that means addressing the investor problem we have in this country, because international investors, finance investors are not looking at our state, and in particular we need them for apartments. And that's why this inflation, if you like, cap only applies to apartments. The 2% will actually apply to any new houses being built if they're being rented out as well. So we're very particular on that. So we need to get that investment in. And then if we get that supply moving, we will start then see rents going down. But if we continue doing what we're doing at the moment, we're simply not going to see those rents coming down.
Sure, but I think it's reasonable to ask when. When is that going to happen?
Well, I want to see it happen as quickly as possible, and that's why this is just one activation measure for international finance to give them that certainty, because as long as they have that 2%, if you like, backstop on inflation protection, a lot of investors won't even look at this country to invest, because what they will say is in real terms they can actually make a loss over a certain amount of time. But we're making a number of other measures. A number of weeks ago, the government made a decision to extend existing planning permissions. That preserves the pipeline of planning. We're looking at planning exemptions, significant amount of planning exemptions to take the pressure away from planners so they can focus on the planning of the big developments. And we'll be making a number of other measures announced over the next coming weeks to aid that activation measure. This alone is not going to deliver the apartments, but is an essential prerequisite to get the financial investors looking at it. We need 20 billion euros a year going into property to deliver the properties we need. The government is investing 7 billion, record funding. That's delivering 50% of all houses in this country. We're going to build more social and affordable houses, but if we're going to get from 30,000 to 50,000, 60,000 houses a year, that funding has to come from the private sector, and I think primarily those types of funds are with international investors.